So the materials required to make an electroscope are a clipper, a scissor, a piece of copper wire, some aluminium foil, a hot glue gun, and a glass jar with a lid and a hole in it. We've taken a piece of wire and we've trimmed the rubber part out of it and only exposing the copper wire with the help of a clipper. We've taken a piece of aluminium foil and now we're going to fold it twice to form two layers. We're going to draw a leaf shape on our aluminium foil. Now we've drawn the leaf shape, which is going to look a little like this. The scissor. Now we have two pieces of aluminium foil leaves. Now we're going to take them and fold them in this manner.
Start.
Now we need to pierce a hole in the middle in this part of the leaf with the help of a scissor. After piercing, the leaves should look like this and they should have hole. Now we're going to twist the one end of the wire and form it in a hook like this. To fix the wire in the hole of the lid, we have to bend it in an S manner. To fix the wire in the hole of the lid, we're going to apply some hot glue in this manner. Now place the wire in the center of the hole. Now we're going to cover the hole with the help of hot glue so that no air will be let in. We've applied the glue and covered the hole so that no air will be let in, and now we have to let it dry. Now we're going to carefully insert the leaf into the wire hook in this manner. And put it in the jar and close the lid tightly so that no air escapes. To test our experiment, we need a comb and a woolen cloth. Rub the comb vigorously along the cloth to charge it. We see that when we bring the comb near the leaves show some movement. With this experiment, we can tell if an object is charged and is having static electricity. Thank you, and I hope you liked my experience.